up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when.
Hello my YouTube family, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sadia. If you're new here, so welcome to my channel, and if you're returning subscribers, so welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm sharing with you is a saffron and rice toner. This rice toner brings a glow to your face and will remove pigmentation from your face as well. Rice is rich in a complex of B vitamins called inositol, and that helps promote cells growth and slow down the aging processes as well. But before that, if you like this video, so make sure do share, like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss my video. So without any wasting time, let's get start this video now. So here is my rice water which I have already prepared. I took 4 to 5 spoons of rice and soaked in a half cup of water. Here I have a rose water, aloe vera gel and rosehip oil and saffron as well. Rosehip oil is a great for your face. It brings glow to your face and there are many more benefits. So I will let you know in this video what's the benefits of rosehip oil and where you can find this rosehip oil. So here I'm taking the saffron, and saffron benefits, you know how it's work. I have already video about the saffron oil. You can watch the saffron video on my playlist, or I can give you a link on the description box, or you can check on the icon button. So here I'm going to add the rose water in the rice water. You can see here I have this rice water which I already made, and here I'm going to add almost 4 to 5 tablespoons rose water in it. And here now I'm going to add aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel, here I have, this is a Patanjali aloe vera gel, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons, yes, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel here. And after that I'm going to add this saffron pinches, almost I think I'm going to add 10 to 12 saffron pinches, because I love saffron. It's give you a glow on your face, and it removes pigmentation from your face as well, and make your face so clear, bright, and lightening your skin as well. So here I'm going to add this rosehip oil, 16 to 17 drops. And the rosehip oil benefits is it give you glow your face, and whenever you're applying a makeup, so make sure always apply a rosehip oil on your foundation, 1 to 2 drop, or on your beauty blender, or on your brush it. So believe me guys, it's give you a glowing makeup if whenever you apply a rosehip oil. So here I'm going to tell you about the aloe vera gel. So aloe vera gel helps to moisturize the skin, boost healing of wound, and fight skin aging. So here I'm taking this rice and saffron toner on my hand, and this is a really good, guys. You have to use this toner in the morning time and in the night time. So yeah, that's all guys, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, so please give me a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss my video. I'll see you later on my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Please make sure do share, like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know on the comments box how do you like it, do you use this toner or not. So I'll see you later. Till then, Allah Hafiz.